Tip him out, grab him.
Not bad, not
Get
bad.
him. That's a good one. There's two good ones in there. He still ain't having it.
There's too many of the fuckers getting around.
Too small. It'd be a good one, but he's too small. Close. I don't think any of them are legal, but that's close. They're all just under, man. I reckon.
Oh,
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Yep, she's a buck.
That is massive, boys. Oh my god. Come here, buddy. Fuck, that's a big crab.
Probably daddy.
Nah, that's mummy.
Here, let that. No. Oh, fuck.
Look at the size of him.
Holy shit.
He's rusty too, look at that.
See, he's getting the Maltese cross on his chest there.
Yeah.
That's when they're chockers, like, you can't get any more full of meat than that.
Fuck yeah.
That is a big height. Man, that is a tank.
I was have my phone, that'd be a good photo. I was gonna hit you.
Another alcoholic mud crab. What's your predictions, mate?
Oh, I reckon about 10
10.
full bucks. Oh, he might be alright.
One?
One. Oh, it's Jenny.
The barnacle one?
The other one. It's Jenny.
Successfully retrieved 100% of crab pots. That doesn't happen usually. Well done, gentlemen.
Yeah, buddy.
And second of all, you need a beer. Shit. Damn it. I didn't actually mean to drop that. I was trying to catch it. Anyway, now you got to clean them. Alright, so how I like to do it is just stab straight in the middle, pull the flap down, put your thumb in there, and just rip the shell off. Break the crab in half, and then clean all the guts out, because you don't want to be eating that. Now you don't have to worry about getting every last bit out, because when you boil them up, all that shit will come out, so don't stress. Just get most of it off. Alright, now you got all your guts and shells and everything sorted. Go and chuck that in the creek, not at a boat ramp. You want to make sure it's not going to bring in crocs or anything. So go and throw it up a bit. Just find a spot like this. You don't want to be the cause of someone getting eaten. That would suck. Alright, now we'll go and wash them in clean salt water. Fill up the esky with salt water and take them back, cook them up, eat them up. Alright, I like to use the esky to bring the water back, mainly because it's got a lid and you're not going to spill salt water all through your car. Beautiful. So we'll get it back to the boil in 13 minutes exactly, and then we're good to eat. All right, my helper's disappeared, so we'll just do it ourselves. Timer's gone off. Oh, that smells like they're ready. Turn the gas off. Oh my God. So good. We'll go and get a tray and dish them up. All right, now a lot of people put them straight into ice. I don't do that because I like it to be warm when I'm eating it. Each to their own. I know the ice is to stop the cooking process, but you know, it doesn't really make that much difference, and I just think the ice waters it down. You don't get that beautiful mud crab flavour. Hey mate. So yeah, do the ice trick if you want to, but I will not be doing that. That is amazing. Well, there you go guys, dinner is served. Hope you enjoyed that. Found any helpful tips or tricks? Cheers. If not, share with a friend, and we'll catch you next time. We need to go start eating. Catch ya.
One shot. One chance.
Beautiful crab. What I love about tying these guys up is the fact that I can put them in the fridge and I know that they're not going to get into anything that I've got in there and demolish it. So you, mate, in you go. Righto guys, so I thought while I'm at it with this big fella, I'd show you how I tie him up. I'm a fan of tying up crabs, especially if you've got more than one. Having their nippers tied up stops them from fighting and hurting one another while you're getting them back home. So what you want to do is get your big toe, holding the body quite firmly down. You want half of your rope and you want to come into the back, not under the flippers to start with, and just make your way around the body, up under the elbow, nice and firm. Hold that side down with your big toe as well, keeping pressure on both sides. Same thing, up under the elbow, nice and tight. This time now you want to come under the back flipper with both of them, keeping it nice and tight. And then you just want to tie it off at the back in the middle, keeping that pressure. And there you have it. He's all tied up, can't go anywhere, and he's nice and safe when you put him in the bucket or your hessian bag with all the other bucks. Yo!